Maintaining competitive advantage and increasing cash flow is a priority. But how can you actually realize these goals? %80 of commercial and industrial businesses spend far too much on energy. Our focus is to reduce energy consumption to free up funds for reinvestment, so you can grow your business. Your business operations are comprised of many moving parts. Some parts run more efficiently than others. Finding where inefficiencies exist and knowing how to reduce waste can be tricky. We at PEC have discovered where wasted dollars sit in inefficient lighting and HVAC systems. The good news is, improving how your facility consumes energy can simply and instantaneously begin to put those dollars back in your pocket and provide additional operational value far beyond energy savings. High-quality LEDs, smart motors, and advanced control systems that are customized to your workspaces are how we deliver projects that reduce energy consumption and help increase productivity metrics. Facilities who have implemented these projects measure higher outputs, fewer errors, and reduced material waste. These energy waste reduction projects will impact your greater business objectives. The only decision you have left to make is when. Visit us at pecnw.com and see the impact.